In Turkish, the question where can be expressed as nerede, nereye, or nereden. If this leaves you feeling a little like this, then don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to help you to differentiate and understand the different ways you can ask where in Turkish. However, to do this, we must first rewind. Okay, so let's take it back to the language basics. You may or may not already be aware that Turkish is an agglutinative language. What this simply means is that words and sentences are built up by adding or gluing suffixes to the end of a root word. Now let's take a deeper look at this and how it plays into today's question word, where. In Turkish, the root word for where is nere. Nere. If you want to ask where something is at, for example, where is the park? Where is the park at? You need to add the locative suffix, i.e. the at, in, on suffix, which is de. De. So the root word nere would now look like this. Nerede. Nerede. A little side note here. This suffix, as well as the next two we look at, follow the rule of vowel harmony 1. For the sake of time and ease, I'm not going to go into vowel harmony rules here. For now, it is enough to know that de and the next two suffixes we cover are the relevant suffixes for the root word nere. Okay, so let's take a look at nerede, where at, within some questions. The first question we have here is, where is mum? Anne nerede? Anne nerede? The second question is, where is the bus station? Where is the bus station at? Otogar nerede? Otogar nerede? Okay, so hopefully you can see here that we're taking the person or the place, or it can even be an object, and then adding the root word nere along with the suffix de to ask, where is that person? Where is that place? Where is that item? By the way, if you're finding any value in this content, please show some love to the like button to help this content reach others who can also benefit from it. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. With all that being said, let's continue on with our lesson. The second way to ask where in Turkish is to use the dative case. This is to describe going to somewhere or doing something with or to someone. For example, you could ask someone where they are going. Where are they going to? The to suffix is e. However, as nere ends in a vowel and the suffix starts with a vowel, we have to insert a buffer letter to separate the two vowels. The buffer letter here is y, so the suffix becomes ye. Ye. To ask where to, nere therefore becomes nereye. Nereye. Let's now look at nereye within some questions. The first question is, where are you going? Nereye gidiyorsun? Nereye gidiyorsun? The second question is, where do you apply the cream? Kremi nereye sürüyorsun? Kremi nereye sürüyorsun? Okay, so hopefully you can now see how where to nereye is used within a question. Now the final part of today's lesson. This is using where in its ablative case to indicate movement away from something. An example would be to ask, where are you coming from? The suffix for from relevant to the root word nere is then. Then. So where from becomes nereden. Nereden. Okay, let's see how nereden, where from, is used within questions. Question number 1 is, where are you coming from? Nereden geliyorsun? Nereden geliyorsun? The second question is, where is the water from? Su nereden? Su nereden? Okay, so hopefully these examples have made it a little more clearer on how to use where in Turkish in various ways. Question words are very useful and often you can extract a lot of information by using them. If you want to learn more question words such as when, what, how, then make sure you're subscribed to receive that video when released. Until next time, iyi günler.